Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable 1031 exchange planning using Equity Advantage, complete guide step by step clearly. To enable 1031 exchange planning using Equity Advantage, start by understanding the basics of a 1031 exchange. A 1031 exchange allows you to defer capital gains taxes on investment properties. Research the eligibility requirements for a 1031 exchange. Ensure that your property qualifies as an investment property. Gather necessary documentation related to your current property. Consult with a qualified intermediary, like Equity Advantage, to facilitate the exchange. Open a dialogue with Equity Advantage to discuss your specific needs. Provide Equity Advantage with the details of your current property. Identify replacement properties you are interested in acquiring. Review the criteria for replacement properties under IRS guidelines. Determine the timeline for your exchange, noting the 45-day identification period. Work with Equity Advantage to document the properties you wish to identify. Submit your identified properties to Equity Advantage within the required timeframe. Finalize the sale of your current property, ensuring it is sold before the exchange closes. Coordinate with Equity Advantage to manage the funds from the sale. Utilize the proceeds from your sale to purchase the identified replacement properties. Execute the necessary paperwork and agreements with Equity Advantage. Complete the acquisition of your new property while following all IRS regulations. Maintain clear communication with Equity Advantage throughout the process. Upon completion, retain all documentation for your records for future tax filings. By following these steps, you can effectively enable 1031 exchange planning with Equity Advantage. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.